Hello everyone. So today is 17th of August and today was our weekly expiry day. So how was your expiry? So please do comment below. And yes, so talking about kal ka jo analysis tha, yesterday's analysis. So in yesterday's analysis we clearly discussed that both the sides writers are present and we will be this one. We can see both the side moves, but also we saw both the side moves. Okay, so even if you see that Nifty went down and then again it recovered. Okay, and similarly this is not Nifty, so this is Nifty Bank. हाँ, सो निफ्टी बैंक में भी तो थोड़ा बहुत दोनों साइड मूवमेंट आया. और मेन जो चीज़ था, सो द मेन पॉइंट वाज कि आई क्लियरली सेड दैट इन द मनी कॉल राइटर्स आर स्टिल प्रेजेंट. ओके, तो कल निफ्टी कहाँ क्लोज हुआ था? सो निफ्टी क्लोज येस्टरडे at around like so this was the closing. Okay, so this is the opening. So at around 19,060 to 70. Okay, याद नहीं exactly. तो 19,000 तो चलिए पकड़ लेते हैं 19,465. Okay, so then I clearly said that at least Nifty has to come down to 400. I clearly mentioned this. Okay, because in the money call writers were present and I also showed it in the option chain. मतलब क्लियरली बता दिया था कि क्या होने वाला है. और द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट इवन इन द मॉर्निंग ऑल्सो आई सेड दैट मनी फ्लो इज नेगेटिव. सो हियर जस्ट चेक द टाइम, 9:49 AM. कहाँ था निफ्टी? सो 9:49 AM. दिस इज 10 या सो 9:50. ओके, सो 9:49 AM इधर था निफ्टी. मैंने बोल दिया था कि वीकनेस ऑन ट्विटर. And you see after that like there was some consolidation and then you see so this is where like 19,400. Okay, तो उधर से फिर किधर आया? 19,327, 330 पकड़ लेते. Okay, so 70 points down. Fine. So I mean the thing is that I mean I also told it in the morning like money flow is showing weakness. So these type of things you have seen like there is one YouTuber who charges for these things and then they will say that देखा मैंने बोला था कि मतलब वीकनेस है और फिर निफ्टी इधर से इधर आ गया. ठीक है, 70 पॉइंट्स फॉल. और अगर 160 पॉइंट्स फॉल होगा तो वो भी बोलेगा कि देखा 160 पॉइंट्स फॉल. और अगर सपोज 50 पॉइंट्स पे रिवर्स कर गया तो बोलेगा टिप सीकर्स नॉट अलाउड हियर. ओके, so you are getting this for free. Okay, on Twitter. So I hope you so those who are not a member, so I hope I mean you appreciate the effort and I do deserve a like. And yeah, so the next thing is that yes, let's come to our analysis. So here our analysis in the morning, as I already disclosed my short positions yesterday that I was carrying put buying and so 19,300 August expiry put buying and not this expiry, August expiry, and also call writing. Okay, so then we so here is the whole list. Okay, so let's not waste time. I'll just scroll down slowly. You can read it out. Okay, if you want such analysis, so you're almost welcome to be a part of the derivatives indicator family. Here is the summary. So 19,300 PE, which we bought yesterday at 88, we closed today at 105. Okay, then 19,000 PE, today's expiry 19,000 PE we bought at 105 in the morning, closed it at 150. Okay, 150, so 45 points. That was huge. And then the next one was I mean at the same time we took 19,400 PE, we bought it at 36. It almost gave 2x. Like we closed it at 65, so 72. Okay, so just we were very near about 2x. Okay, so just 7 points. Anyways, safety first. You have to close your positions. You don't have to expect like सब मिला के अगर देखा जाए तो it's more than 2x. It's like almost 3x अगर आप सब पकड़ लेते हो. So add everything up, add all the percentages. So I hope it's absolutely more than 2x. So anyways, then we bought 19,500 PE again at 115 and closed it at 125. And then the call writing position, so 19,500 we shorted at 11 today. 19,450 we shorted 23 at today, but on Monday we did it at 31, shorted it. 19,400 we shorted it at all call writing, okay. So 46, okay. So those who follow me knows that I'm a directional trader. Like I figure out direction and I take the trade. It's not like I take both the side positions, दोनों तरफ short करके बैठे रहो. That I don't do. It's not my style. But again, if you have a lot of money, you can do that. It's your money, your choice. But yeah, the thing is that today's accuracy was 100%. Now, many of you will think that रोज मतलब 100% आता है क्या? नहीं, मंडे को नहीं आया था. और ये इंडिपेंडेंस डे वाज अ हॉलीडे. देन आपका मंगलवार को भी मंगलवार तो छुट्टी था. आपका बुधवार कल भी मतलब एक्यूरेसी 100% नहीं था. लेकिन उसके पहले, okay, before this week the accuracy was 100% every day. Okay, I can proudly say that. Like accuracy was 100%. I have shown it in the videos as well. In my analysis videos I daily show like what I told. So yes, I can proudly say that as far as I remember, like the whole of August expiry, the first two expiries, like totally 100% accuracy we went. Okay, so anyways, that's the thing. Yeah, and also talking about our indicators, so Nifty, if you see, like here in the morning, like 923 the score declined here. Even at 929 also you see minus 46. So big guys were shorting the market. 925 बैंक निफ्टी minus 47. तो इसीलिए तब हम लोगों ने पुट बाई किया था. तो you see 925 to 930, this is the candle, okay. So just at the very first minute, और even like इसके बाद भी अगर आप बाई करते हो तो आपको बहुत अच्छा खासा एक मूव मतलब हम लोग को मिला है. So I'm very bad in Hindi, I get stuck. Anyways, so the major point being here is FIIs have sold, DIs also have sold. FIIs have sold for 1500 crores. And also talking about the FNO segment, इधर update नहीं किया है. So yeah, coming to the declines are increasing. Advances also not bad, but there would be a tug of war. EOD data suggests. So yeah, the next thing is that if you want such live market updates, you can follow me on Twitter, and for daily such analysis you can subscribe me on Twitter. And yeah, talking about our indicators, so I forgot the main point. So here if you see that this gap was created, so this was a time like at from 12:53 onwards, you see the this thing is increasing, the money flow is increasing, but Nifty was going down. And that was a clear-cut signal that Nifty will go up. But I truly, like, it's my indicator, I have made it, but I did not dare to go long because option chain was bearish. But there are several data and several variables. Like, I even during the live market don't know why it's going up. Okay, so I just know that हो सकता है ऊपर जाने वाला है. ठीक है, तो क्या होता है कि if we are having short positions, then we close it, okay, when we get these type of signals that there is a chance of reversal, okay. But yes, if I see some signal also apart from this that there was a chance of reversal, then I definitely take it. But yes, I do wait for, like, the indicator is not the only one. I do check the major data, Greeks, IV, volume, आपका change in OI, so all these data, so if they also give the signal, so then I take the trade. Yes, so today I saw that the signal was not much like in the these Greeks and IV and this volume COI. So that's why, like, I couldn't figure out why it went up, because again I am saying, like, 10,000 lines of code and huge data set, आप अगर ढूंढोगे तो खो जाओगे. ठीक है, तो that's the thing, and that's the beauty of the indicators. And not only that, आज ऐसा नहीं है, आज मैंने पोस्ट भी किया था. ठीक है, तो जब गैप क्रिएट हुआ तो पोस्ट भी किया था, उसके बाद भी मतलब एक बड़ा सा ग्रीन कैंडल आया, इधर मैंने पोस्ट किया था. आप देखिए टाइम, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी मैं कुछ मतलब डेटा बना के आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. So it's nothing like that. 2:15 PM, okay, money flow, Nifty money flow, I showed that there was a gap created. 2:15 के बाद भी आप देखिए, so this is like 2:15 After that it went down, and you see then even after that there was a sharp up move. So the gap nearly filled. Okay, so the gap should have filled, but it like slightly left. So anyways, kal fresh data, fresh tuning. So dekhte. So coming to the end of the day data. So yeah, here, so FIIs are they are slowly building up their future short positions as well as futures long positions. So long and short. So short positions are heavy, but prop decks, there is like a tie between some prop decks. I think they are bullish, and some prop decks they are bearish. So there has to be like one of them has to be a winner. So either the short or the long. So it's not clear like why they are doing this, but I think it's not the same prop decks. That's the reason. And so some prop decks feels that no, we will see an up move from 19,300 or maybe in Bank Nifty also. So or some prop decks feels that we are about to some more down move is expected. Okay, so but agar FIS ka data dekha jaye, so they are bearish in futures, overall bearish. Okay, and then coming to the option index. So option index, if you see positions have been closed. So इधर से हम लोग यही बता सकते हैं कि ऑप्शन चेन में मतलब स्टिल कॉल राइटिंग पोजीशंस आर हैवी, सो दे आर स्टिल बियरिश, बट it all depends on both prop decks and FIs. They have more call writing positions. So but we shouldn't be bearish, because tomorrow again fresh data can come and they can do a lot of put writing. So we have to wait for fresh data. But again let me show you something that I don't know why the confusion arises. So here, okay, so many say that the data is not matching or whatever. So I have discussed and showed all the other datas in my FI statistics video. So coming to this data, that is, if you see, come to here, that is index options. Okay, so index options, if you see this, I said that this is the number of contracts, this is volume. So how do you know that it's volume, and how do you know that it's put buying plus call buying? That is, you come to the volumes data. So here if you add up the index option, so these two, so if you clearly see that it's nothing but the addition of these two. Okay, so that's the thing. And if you add these two up, so what do you get? So you get this 377,96,017. Okay, so let's come here, 377,96,017. Similarly, if you add up the selling ones, okay, so the selling ones, the selling positions volume, so you will get this here 374. So I have already done it here. Where did it go? Yeah. So if you see here, sorry. Yeah. So 17th. No, this is the OI data. Here volume data. So again, this is the one. Okay, if you add these two, option index, sell, so this is the one you get. Okay, so and also if you I already showed you like this one, how do you get the open interest? So this, what is it? Yeah, so I already showed you that this open interest. So this open interest, to get that, you have to add you have to go to the open interest sheet and add up all these option index, whatever, call buy, put buy, call writing, put writing, all these you have to add to get that. Okay, now coming to the money flow. So money flow of futures. Okay, so money flow of in futures, you have, what you have to do, you have to just this is the buy amount, this is the selling amount. Okay, so you just have to subtract. So it's in negative, if you can clearly see. So just do it. Okay, and but again I am saying that we have to wait for fresh data. And yeah, stock futures also you can see the money flow similarly, buy minus sell. And the other point being here is that if you see that here buying amount, okay, you will see that suppose let's go to the Nifty, okay, or maybe index. So index, you will notice that this is the buying amount. Okay, so Most of the people will get bullish. Oh, itna sara buying hua hai. Arey bhai, this is the buying amount means call buying plus this call buying and this call put buying. Okay, and moreover today these on expiry days, what happens is that suppose I am FIs. Okay, yesterday I did call writing. Now today when I am closing, I am call buying. So that will be like when I'm closing, that will be that money flow will come under this buying category. Okay, so that's why you see on these expiry days, if you notice on expiry days, this huge huge money flow comes up. Okay, so you have to be careful. I already showed you how it's calculated. Like let's go to the last expiry. Okay, so even on so this is I think wait one second, the last Thursday was this is this and these two, this Friday and this. Okay, so I think 9th of August it's negative, but let's see. So this is Thursday, no sorry, it's 10th. Okay, it's 10th and 3rd. So let's see. So 10th of August here. Okay, 10th of August, you see that where I'm seeing index FIs, yeah. So not here. 10th of August quantity come tha. 3rd of August dekhiye either. 3rd of August 19,000. Okay, so you'll see that this is usually like a very it's a lot like compared to the other days. So it's because the positions gets closed. Okay, I clearly mentioned how it's calculated, so don't look at that. And also I clearly mentioned how to totally analyze the FII's derivative statistics data. So that's the overall thing, and so I think I have mentioned everything. So yeah, so the final conclusion is that we should wait for further data, और FII's futures में bearish है और prop dex दोनों तरफ है. So we have to be very careful. Okay, and talking about the other thing, that is I have already told you about the levels, that is until unless 19,472 19,439 ये जो range है. So this until unless Nifty breaks it with confidence, till then it will be like better to short. Okay, and once this is taken down, so better to go long, but again depends on the other data as well. And 90,300 is like giving a strong support, but if you notice here that coming to the 1-day chart, so 19,300 has been tested several times. You see, one time, second time, again almost, third time, fourth time. Okay, so now suppose if you hammer one level too many times, it becomes weak. Okay, but again I said this, don't get bearish, wait for the data. Okay, so we should be careful now. Okay, because we should watch what happens with this 19,302, and if that breaks, I'll tell you the next level, but till then let's see what happens. And talking about Bank Nifty as well, so let's go to the 1-day chart. So even this line is perfectly working, as I have mentioned, like I mentioned it on 9th of August, till today's 17th of August, so it's working perfectly. Bank Nifty mein I think it broke a little bit, but yeah, then also here on this chart it's working fine, but RSI broke this line. So anyways, talking about Bank Nifty's level also, 43,000, yeah, 43,590. So 43,590 is now, for now it's giving support. If that breaks, then we have to worry about, otherwise upar jate we will be getting resistance at 44,288, and then if that also breaks, then 44,590. Okay, and these levels works like wonders, you have seen in the past. So anyways, US markets are again down in not much, but again so let's see what happens. Anyways, so if you like my analysis and my analysis are helping you, so please don't forget to put a like. And yeah, so please if you can follow me on Twitter if you want such live market updates, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.